Hey guys, Dr. Callahan here. I am so disappointed I won't be seeing you guys in person today because of the smoke, but we can continue on with our lessons. So you guys have your 3 different questions. Number 1, list 3 qualities that you look for in a good friend. Number 2, how far do you plan on going to school? Are you planning on stopping after graduating high school? Do you plan on going to a trade school like TMCC, a university, graduate school, or perhaps even get your doctorate? And question number 3, you are to find f of 2, f of -1, and f of 0 from this piecewise function. So pause the video and complete the warm-up. All right, let's go over example 3. So f of 2, we went over this from Thursday. So x is 2, 1, 2. Your y value is at 3. Essentially what it's saying is when x is equal to 2, what is y equal to? And you get your answer from looking at the diagrams. When x is -1, so here's -1, you see you have 2 points here, but this is an open circle, so it's not included, whereas this one's a solid circle, so it is included. Your y value will be at 1. And then when x is at 0, your y value is at 3. And that is your answer. Online day attendance. So I was going to go over this with you guys today in class, but I will go over it right now. So every day you guys have a video on YouTube. Now keep in mind that I only see you guys face-to-face 50% of the time, but all the skill sets that's required for you to take the exam in May and to pass the exam, we don't really have any time to waste. So I created the YouTube channel for calculus. If you have not subscribed to it, you might want to do that so that way you get a notification every time I post a new video. So we will be continuing with new lessons every single day, whether it's in person or online. You are expected to go ahead and catch up for Monday through Friday for every single week. So I will be posting a video every single day. Like today, for example, is week 2 Friday. I will be posting this video on my YouTube channel. And then next week will be week 3 Monday, and I will be doing that. So regardless whether it's virtual learning or distance learning, you will always have a video or an assignment to work on for that day. So go to MS Team or Dr. Callahan's channel on YouTube. And if you're not sure what that is, or if you're not able to log on to MS Team, you can send me an email at incallahan, and that's INCALLAHAN @washowschools.net, and I'll be more than happy to go ahead and give you the link to those. Even if you don't have MS Team, that's not a problem. You should still be able to access my YouTube channels. If you have not given me your email yet, I know some of you guys have, but there are a few of you guys that still have not. So you need to make sure you go to this link, which I'm going to bring it up right now. And hold on a second. I love how they ask me to verify every time. Okay, so you want to go to this link right here. And if you can't see that, let me just blow this up just a little bit for you guys. So this link right here, it is a capital T, capital L, capital A, capital K, A, and capital E. Caps does matter. So go to this link right here and then give me your email. So far, I have this from Leslie, Gabriella, David. We have 2 Davids. Awesome. My brother's name is David as well, and Jonathan. So thank you guys so much for doing that. But there are a few of you guys that still do not have your email right there. And some people don't have access to MS Teams. So this is like another way for me to kind of get a hold of you guys, you know, to send out announcements, because I do want to reach out to everyone as much as possible. So make sure you guys do that if you haven't done so already. And let's go back to this. All right, so watch the videos, do the activities, jot down the notes on your guided notes. So for me to take attendance, make sure you guys go to the comment box and then just type in your name. Like for example, my name is Natalia Callahan, so I will just put Natalia Callahan. You don't even have to write checking in or anything. You don't need to have a comment, although if you do, that's fine. But as long as I see your name on there, that's how I will be taking your attendance for the hybrid model for the days that I don't see you in person. So this is like a video right here that I have posted. Make sure you go ahead and just comment on it, and you do that for the specific days. Like for example, today is week 2 Fridays. You make a comment, I will go ahead and check off your name, and I'll go ahead and take attendance that way. You want to do this by 3 p.m. every day because my contract time ends at 3:10, so most likely I will not be taking attendance after that. So you want to do that by 3 o'clock each day. And you want to use your actual names. I mean, it's fine that you have an account with different names, you know, with your emojis and whatnot, but the comment needs to be your name. So if you write down Shaquille Oatmeal, I have no idea who that is, or Hang with My Nomies, or Who's Your Daddy, Fast and the Curious. You guys have these front names for your account, which is fine, but I actually need to have your name when you are checking in. Okay, so make sure you do that. So last class on Thursday, you guys had your poster rotations with this template. You guys have 14 different poster rotations. And then this was an extra assignment that I had you guys to do for the guided notes as a review on composite functions with piecewise functions. And then you guys had this one as well to do graphing piecewise functions using a calculator. So let's go ahead and take a look at the answers for your poster rotation number 1. Here's your answer for poster rotation number 2. Here's number 3, and you can just, pause it to check. Number 4, 5, 6. For 6, your answer should be at 2 to the left, and you should have a V shaped. 7. For 8, f of -2 is at -2. F of 3, 1, 2, 3 is at -2. Oops.